Hey everyone, today I'm going to be replacing the grip tape on the XR. I just ordered some replacement tape in from the Float Life, so I'm excited to put it on and get a little bit more grip on my ride. First things first, if you got a fender, get rid of it. Alright, now you're going to grab your blow dryer or heat gun if you got one, and you're just going to start in one corner, heat up that one area in the corner, get underneath it with your finger, and just slowly peel it backward. The main thing here is you want to watch out for the sensor pad that's underneath. Once you got a good little area going, you just kind of work that blow dryer on the back side of the grip tape ahead of where you're going to be peeling, get it ready, and just peel nice and slow. Alright, now it's on to the back. Now the back pad doesn't have any important components directly under the grip tape that you need to worry about, so you can kind of just power through it. When I'm done removing it, I like to take some isopropyl, get the push pad nice and clean so that when I do my grip tape, it applies nicely. Remove that backing, and then I just like to find a reference point. I'll start in the corner right where those screw holes are, make sure that they're both lined up nicely, nice and even. And then I just start at the back and work my way up. And you can also kind of keep your pressure in the middle and then work your fingers outward in order to get rid of any air bubbles. And if you do have any air bubbles, you can just quick pop them with a needle or a razor blade. Front pad, you're going to want to check it and make sure that the sensor's working properly. So I'm just doing a quick test on each side, doing the heel lift, if you will. Everything's good. Just get rid of any dust or debris once again, and then grab that piece of grip tape, peel off the backing, and do it again. So when I'm done with all that, I just like to grab something and just run it along the edge. I found that this nice rubber grip on this screwdriver works great. Just to get rid of any little air pockets, make sure I got a nice clean touchdown. And I'm just gonna quick throw my fender back on. And that's it. So as you can see, I've got some nice fresh new tape on there. Much better than before, especially with that stock front pad. It's amazing how different it feels when you actually have some really nice grip tape on that front pad. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my page, and I promise I'll have a lot more Onewheel content coming out soon.